everyone, my name is Julios Seojun Park. I'm in the 5th grade. I go to Neulpureum Elementary School. Today, I'm going to tell you a story about a very naughty frog. Are you ready?
Yes!
Let's go! Once upon a time, a little green frog lived in a pond with his mother. Oh my baby, 개굴, 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 개굴. This little frog was very naughty. Mommy, 굴게, 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 굴게. He was always does the opposite of what his mother told him. If Mother Frog said, oh my baby, go play on the hill. 개굴, 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 개굴. What did you think he did?
굴게 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 굴게.
Yes, he went down to the river. Mommy, 굴게, 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 굴게. If Mother Frog said, oh my baby, go play by the river. 개굴, 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 개굴. What did you think he did?
굴게 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 굴게.
Yes, he went up to the hill. He just did the opposite every time. The mother frog very worried about the little frog. She sighed and said, oh, shoo. Oh, my dear son, why won't you listen to me? Oh, shoo. But little frog just laughed. Ha ha, I'm having fun, Mom. 굴게, 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 굴게. Now, everyone says, oh no, there's trouble. One day, Mother Frog, very sick, she called Little Frog to her side. Oh, my dear son, she said, I don't think I will much longer. When I die, don't bury me on the mountain. Please bury me by the river. Mother Frog thought, my son always does the opposite. So if I say river, he will bury me on the mountain. Soon, Mother Frog passed away. Little Frog was very, very sad. Oh no! He cried. I always did the opposite of what my mom said. I should have listened to her. I was such a naughty frog. Little Frog decided, this time I'll do exactly what Mother said. I bury her by the river. Now, everyone says, oh no, there's trouble. The little green frog buried her by the river. Just like she asked. But soon, it began to rain. It rained and rained. River rose higher and higher. Little frog was so scared. Oh, my mother's grave! He cried. River, don't wash away! 개굴, 개굴! And he cried and cried by the river. Now, every time it's rain, frog cried, 개굴, 개굴! Because they remember little frog and his mother. So, remember when something is to keep you safe and happy. Let's try to be good listener, so we don't have any regret. Thank you for listening.